Why now might be the smartest time to make a move in real estate. I'm Brian Khatambakhsh with Remax Hallmark, and this is another market update for April 2025. 23% less sales, everybody's talking about it in the market, but what people don't talk about and we always pay attention to is that the inventory is up by 54%. That is a lot more supply and a lot less sales. Because of that, you see the prices are this time around down about 4%. Remember, last month was 2, but now this is 4%. That is becoming gradually significant. So it's just $1 million home will be about $41,000 less. The month of inventory, that has gone up by 100%, 104%. That's almost double. So 5 months of inventory in the market. But what does that mean to you? Well, prices and borrowing costs are down. Make it easier for buyer to buy a home compared to last year this time. And the buyers have more options. You have a buffet of homes in front of you. So there's less sales and there is a lot more supply. So you have a lot of choices in your hand to make a decision. The federal election is now behind us. We know the direction of the government and we know what Ms. Carney is going to do. And the market conditions are likely to stabilize. So the consensus are that within the next few months, I don't know, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, we will come to some kind of a agreement with US. At least everybody knows what to do. What's killing the market now is the uncertainty. And that helps people start making decisions. Whatever they need to do to adjust to the new economy, they will do that and get over it. CDSers are open to reasonable offer from qualified buyer. The key here is underlying the qualified buyer. If you're a qualified buyer, make sure your agent represents you really well because it is an asset these days and you can negotiate really well. Now is a great time for move-up buyer because whenever market interest rate goes up and market goes down, this market doesn't go parallel like this. The upper side of the market compresses a lot more than the affordable side. So the gap between your home and the bigger home you're moving to, no matter what it is going to be a lot less than what it was before. So it's a great time for move-off buyers. And if you're a seller, make sure you don't overprice your property. Overpricing will help you big time. Some people are saying, I'm not in a hurry, I'm gonna wait. Waiting in this market is not going to help you. And the longer you stay in the market, guess what? People come and look at your home and say, what a great home. What's wrong with it? Right? So don't do that. Don't do overpricing. Here is the conclusion. So both buyers and sellers can win in this market. This is how. For buyers, there's more inventory and more choices in the market. So it's a buffet and more affordable because interest rates are down and also prices are down with 4% that we just showed you. So motivated market for buyers. If you are a buyer, you should really think about this. But for move-up buyers, this is one of the best time. I think historically, this is the smallest gap between a smaller home and bigger home has been. You have a lot of choices, but you got to start making offers, okay? If you don't make an offer, you're not going to get anything. It's like swinging in baseball. I say, if you don't swing, you won't hit. You got to swing. And the prices of the homes are right based on this. So if you're a seller, you have to do the things we talked about. You have to do staging, you have to do cleaning, you have to present the best, you have to market a lot your home, follow up with the buyers, negotiate deals, get into and price it right. Once you do all of this in the package, not one or two, you have to throw everything at it, you will get results. You will get results and you get a good offer from a qualified buyer. And for the buyers is that you have to be really very selective. You can pick up the homes that you perfectly love and you can make them buy it at your own terms and conditions. I can assure you that your version of yourself 5 years from now will appreciate it. Not 3 months, not next year. Real estate is a long-term game, okay? It may not be on the absolute bottom, but the risk of going up from here is a lot less than going down. So because there's not much room to go down anymore. As soon as something goes a few percent below, people will jump in and buy it. So there is less risk. Go buy something that you can afford. Your version of yourself 5 years from now is going to thank you. I'm Brian Khatambakhsh. If you have any question about real estate, give us a call, text us, or call us at the number on the screen. And until next month, have a fantastic one.